The weather is much nicer right now. And today I'm going to go in that direction towards the beach. So it's nearly 11 and my train is at 5:42 p.m. precisely. So I have all the time in the world and I'm going to walk along the beach today. And this church is... wait, I forgot the name of the church. Église Notre-Dame des Grèves. I don't think there is anything really specific or remarkable about it, but it's just a church and it's there. Ceux que nous aimons et que nous avons perdus sont partout où nous sommes. So that's basically a monument to the dead of different cities around there, so Saint-Malo, Param and Saint-Servant, and the church right in front. But what I'm realizing is that it's Sunday morning, so maybe people are actually praying. That's actually right now. I don't know why, but that most masses, is that the name? Masses are at 10 a.m. but this one is at 11, which means it will be going until noon at least, and it's 11:15, and obviously I don't want to disturb the mass. So now I'm going towards the beach. I'm going to walk first up to the castle in Tramuros, to the city center, to the castle. École internationale de Crépier. That's the boat that I saw on day one. And that's the castle, and so that's the city Intramuros. And I am going to go this way, walk along the beach. François René de Chateaubriand. Alright, castle right there. And I am walking that way. As you can see right now, it's not really possible to walk on the beach. I'm not sure the tide is as high as it can be, but it's not really low either. Yeah, it's a nice walk. I don't really know what to tell you more than this. There's not a lot to do, just walking along the sea. And that's really nice and beautiful. That's it. Look at those nice shadows. And there again. Oh God. This is triggering my vertigo like massively, but I want to go on the beach. Okay, I did it. It was a pain, but I did it. And it is beautiful. Immediately, what I want to do is obviously put this camera underwater. Rochebonne. So this is Saint-Malo intramuros, and I've done this, and I am here. So I can easily reach there, but I don't know if I can go further because I have to go back to the train station for 5 p.m. It looks like they are doing some training exercises. So that's the end of the Rochebonne beach. So I've finished the beach and I want to see the little streets, one big one parallel to the beach and a lot of little streets next to it. So I just want to have a look at those little streets and maybe also try to find some place because it's 1:20. See if I can find some place where I can just sit to eat my sandwich without too much wind. That really is the cutest car. That's a really nice path, but I don't think I can find a bench. All I'm asking for is a bench. It's sunny, not too windy. I just want a bench. So you see there are benches all over the place there, but it's so windy and so cold. It doesn't look like I'm going to find a bench in a quiet little street. So I might as well just walk along the beach and enjoy the view. I actually found a better lunch spot. I needed something in the sun, which wasn't the case in the bench, and slightly protected from the wind coming this way. So I have rocks and I'm on the beach. So yeah, it's all nice. But there are a lot of seagulls and they're basically waiting for people to drop their sandwich because I'm not the only one doing this. Alright, so that was a nice lunch. Fun fact, a funny little lady came and asked me if it was okay if she could leave her bag with me, and so she could go for a swim. So the lady left her bag with me and she went for a swim. The temperature of the water should be around 9 degrees. She went for a swim and I took some photos of her with her phone. And yeah, we had a chat. She was fun. It's nearly 2:30, so I still have plenty of time to go back to the train station. So let's just walk straight ahead now. Parc National. With the load side, I think that it's possible to walk at least a little bit closer to it now. It's 3 p.m. now. Parc National. Let me just give this another try. So we have Parc National, and that's Saint-Malo Intramuros, just like right there, with the castle there. And I am going back to Saint-Malo, to the train station. So at the castle, I am back there. I just want to sit on some rocks. Alright, so now it's 5 p.m. and now it's probably time to say goodbye. Gare de Saint-Malo, Saint-Malo train station.
Mesdames, Messieurs, bonjour. Vous avez pris place à bord du TGV 8088 à destination de Paris-Montparnasse. Ce TGV desservira sur son parcours la gare de Dole de Bretagne, Rennes, Laval, arrivée prévue à Paris-Montparnasse 20h19.